NATO Command. In the modern battlespace, medics are being targeted like never before. NATO needs new autonomous systems that can save lives when humans cannot safely reach the wounded. Introducing the Lucy Medic drones with Lucy 4x4 rescue system, a British innovation built for both military and humanitarian response. By converting used 4x4 cars, we can mass-produce low cost. The Lucy Medic drones are launched directly from our 4x4 rescue cars or from mobile base operations. Each drone medical supplies, crowd control, facial recognition, plus classified spec. Mass manufactured at scale, these systems serve dual purposes: instant rescue operations and wide commercial applications, from emergency response to logistics support. Together, our drones and vehicles form an autonomous rescue network capable of locating, treating, and evacuating casualties under fire, maintaining continuous connection to NATO Command. The Lucy Medic drones and Lucy 4x4 rescue system stand ready to protect those who protect us. Velter Drone Brigade, we can deploy and operate our 4x4 ourselves. Lucy protects your sons and daughters who serve.